skincare made with nature's most precious elements. Nothing more. Pure ingredients, non-toxic formulations, real results. Use our cleansing oils to purify pores. And double cleanse with our clarifying bar to detoxify and balance the skin's delicate microbiome. Restore simplicity, restore the soil, restore your skin. Soften signs of aging and stimulate collagen synthesis with our Plumping Serum. Complete your routine with our soothing cream. Antioxidants from blue tansy and grass-fed tallow melt into the skin to deeply moisturize. Repair and protect even the most sensitive skin. Feel vibrant barefaced with Primally Pure.